The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is on the verge of an official release, and thanks to tech insiders, we've got a sneak peek at what to expect before the official launch. Renowned leaker Evan Blass recently shared a countdown to the next Galaxy Unpacked event, revealing that the Galaxy AI is set to make its debut on January 18th in Korea, which directly translates to January 17th here in the US. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to retain its predecessor's 6.8-inch display, but with improved specifications. The display is rumored to support a peak brightness of 2600 nits, and while the resolution remains QHD+, there's speculation about a potential increase in the refresh rate, possibly reaching 144 Hz. All three models in the S24 series are anticipated to be powered by Qualcomm's flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. However, it's worth noting that in some markets, including the US, Canada, and China, the phones might be equipped with Samsung's own Exynos 2400 processor. The standard S24 and S24 Plus are expected to top out at 50 megapixels. Telephoto lenses will also receive an upgrade, with the S24 Ultra offering a remarkable 10x zoom, compared to the 3x zoom on the other two models. However, on the other hand, the S24 Ultra will replace the 10x periscope zoom lens with a higher megapixel Tetraprism 5x zoom lens, addressing image quality concerns at intermediate zoom levels and improving low-light performance. Despite concerns about the removal of the 100x space zoom feature, official marketing materials confirm that the S24 Ultra will retain this capability. The 100x zoom, although not always practical, remains valuable for detailed long-distance viewing. Battery capacities will see incremental improvements, with the S24 Ultra housing a 5000 mAh battery, the S24 Plus having 4900 mAh, and the standard S24 featuring a 4000 mAh battery. All three models will maintain an IP68 water and dust resistance rating. If you have any specific questions, or if there's something particular you'd like to discuss about the leaked information on the Galaxy S24 series, feel free to let me know in the comments. I'll try my best to clear your doubts. Until then, peace out.